Hello, welcome to the channel Competitive Data. Today we discuss the previous year paper of Gujarat Assistant Inspector of Motor Vehicle, which is held on the year 2021. This previous year question will help you in the upcoming exam of Ossc Junior Motor Vehicle Inspector. In this session, we discuss on the automobile part, only automobile question, and the approach will be I will read the question and directly we jump into the answer options without reading the remaining three options, so that you will remember the question with the answer. And if any clarification of the question will require, I will provide. And if any doubt, then you can comment and mention your problem, so I will rectify in the next video. So the first question will be from the mechanics part. So this is not mentioned in the OWC Junior Motor Vehicle Inspector syllabus, so we have to neglect, we have to omit it. So we have to choose only automobile part which is mentioned in the Junior Motor Vehicle Inspector. So the question will be, so here the question number 17, and this is from ABS, which is automobile part. So the function of anti-lock brake system ABS is that to answer will be maintain directional control during braking by preventing the wheel from locking. Next question is the basic characteristic of brake fluid is. So answer will be all of the above, as a high boiling point will be required, low viscosity will be required, compatible with rubber and metal part. So answer will be all of these. Next question, this is the automobile question also, so we have to discuss. Question is, wheel base of a vehicle is the, answer will be distance between center of the front and rear wheel. So the vehicle front wheel distance, the difference between front wheel and rear wheel distance is called wheelbase. Next question is the function of an alternator in an automobile is. The function of alternator is continually recharge the battery. Next question, the crankshaft of a typical inline 4-cylinder engine has a balance weight. So balance weight will be 8. Next, the power source for a brake booster is the pressure difference between the atmospheric pressure and the vacuum pressure is in the intake manifold. Next question is the device is smoothing out the power impulse from engine is flywheel. So the flywheel is the device which is smoothing out the power impulse from the engine. Next, the characteristic that is enhanced by turning of cylinder sleeve inner surface is, the characteristic is lubricating, जो lubrication performance. Next question, the coefficient of friction for clutch facing is approximately. So the coefficient of friction for clutch will be 0.4. Next, during braking, the brake shoe is moved outward to force the lining against the brake drum. Next question is, this is a question from gear, and gear is also a part of transmission system of a automobile. So we have to discuss this question. So question number 27. Two advantages of using helical gear rather than spur gear in transmission system are. So advantages of helical gear is noise level and strength. So noise level will be less, and strength will be comparatively higher than the spur gear. So this is rigid suspension system. So the rigid suspension is beneficial when large change in load make it necessary to have a large suspension stroke. Next question, with the increase of battery temperature, the specific gravity of electrolyte will decreases. Next, in a vehicle With tilt steering, the steering column is pivoted in lower bracket. So in lower bracket, so tilting steering is located. Next question: the process in which the detailed specification, material dimension, tolerance, and surface rough is made known as implementation process. So next question: the term that is used for geometric modeling like solid modeling, wireframe modeling, and drafting is known as software package. Next, the software that enable them to implement custom application or modify the system for specialized need is known as programming software. Next, the software that is used to provide the user with various functions to perform geometrical modeling and construction is known as graphics software. So this is also important for automobile. What is the most important alignment angle in term of tire wear? So this is the toe is the important alignment angle. Next, when performing a four-wheel alignment, always start by checking the tire pressure of all the four tires. Next, casters add directional stability to vehicle. Too much positive caster can cause hard steering. Next, it is important to regularly rotate tire. Which of the following statement is correct? So tires should be rotated every 5,000 to 700 miles. Next question 39. The vehicle steering part are wearing out prematurely. A like cause will be incorrect camber, incorrect caster, incorrect toe. So the right answer will be all of the above. Next question number 40. The tires on a motor home have an abnormal wear pattern. All you can suggest to your customer. So this will be keep tire properly inflated, rotate them on schedule, and check the alignment. Which stage of vehicle emission norm presently applicable in India for internal combustion engine? So recently BS6 is. Next question number 42. Which one of these air pollutant is not monitored under NAMP by CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board? So CH4 is methane is not a air pollutant mentioned on the under NAMP by CPCB. So the noise pollution regulation and control rule 2000 came into force in the year of 2000. So this is important, and this question is also important. So you have to remember 2000, the noise pollution control 2000 came into the force. Also this rule 2000 you mentioned, so easily you can answer the answer will be 2000. And this is the air pollutant which is not mentioned, sorry, not monitor under NMP by SVC methane CH4. Next question number 44. The scheduled maximum noise level in silent zone during night time usually. So answer will be 40 decibel. Next, which of the following is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow? So which chemical is responsible turning the Taj Mahal? So Taj Mahal becoming yellow by this element sulfur dioxide. So this is also mechanical question. We have to not discuss. This also mechanical resilience question. This is gear also not mentioned. Not required. So which one of the following type of bearing is employed in shaft of gearbox of automobile? So it will be anti-friction bearing. So the bearing parity number in a hydrodynamic bearing depend upon it led to cost-effective design. So option B is the correct answer. This is first law of thermodynamics, which is not required for automobile. Next question. This is thermometer, which also thermodynamics not required. This is open system, closed system. This is heat not required for automobile. This is refrigeration system not required. So unique property of cast iron is high. So unique property is damping characteristic. This is called steam. Magnetic forming is an example of high energy rate forming. Next is metal forming process is used for the manufacturing of long steel wire by method of drawing. So the correct sequence of this is also part of material science and production. So the correct sequence of given material ascending order of their weldability will be aluminum, copper, cast iron, mild steel. Which one following process result best accuracy of the whole made? Answer will be dimming. This is also production chapter. Power consumption in metal coating is mainly due to tangential component of force. Option A is the correct answer. Yes. Question number 101. The maximum specific output of a constant volume cycle, that means Otto cycle, will be temperature of working fluid at the end of compression and expansion should be equal. Next, an IC engine has bore stroke equal to 2 units. The total area calculated to heat loss. So bore is 2 unit and stroke is 2 unit. So I have to calculate. Given bore is 2 unit and stroke L is 2 unit. So calculate area will be pi d into L. So d is 2, L is 2, 2 into 4 into pi. So answer will be 4 pi. Consider the both statement. Which of the above statement are correct? So both Otto and diesel cycles are specially cause of dual combustion, which is also correct. Combustion process of IC engine is neither fully constant volume nor fully constant pressure process, which is also correct. Combustion process in ideal cycle is replaced by heat addition from internal source. It's not correct. Uh, this is incorrect. Exhaust process is replaced by heat rejection in ideal cycle. This is also correct. So 1 to 4 is correct answer. Option C is the correct. Next, the purpose of thermostat in an engine cooling system is to allow the engine to warm up quickly. If a performance of a diesel engine of a different size, cylinder dimension, and power rating are to be compared, which of the following parameter can be used for such comparison? So right answer is volumetric efficiency. If the intake air temperature of an IC engine increases, the efficiency will be decreases. In the following statement regarding the advantage of fuel injection over a carburetor in SI engine. So higher power output and increases volumetric efficiency. This is right. Simple and inexpensive injection equipment. No, it's wrong. Uh, Option 3. Longer life of injection equipment. No. Less knocking and reduced tendency of brake fire. This is also correct. So option C is the correct answer. Rate 108. This is assertion region question. So assertion is the cutoff ratio of diesel engines cycle should be greater than 1 and but should be as low as possible. The reason is lower cutoff ratio does improve the thermal efficiency, but lower the specific work output. Hence, the value of cutoff ratio must be optimized. So the right answer will be both A and assertion and region are true, and R is the correct expansion of A. Next question number: which of the following factor would increase the probability of knock in IC engine? So the factor will be low ignition delay of fluid and low self ignition temperature. This is wrong. Low volatile of fuel. So option 1 and 3. Option C is the correct answer. Next, which of the following factor increases the tendency of knocking in CI engine, compressed ignition engine? So the right answer will be increase the speed and increase the advance and coolant temperature will increase the knocking tendency of CI engine. Next, detonation in SI engine becomes severe during high load and low speed. In petrol engine, the tendency of detonation increases with supercharging. As supercharging, the temperature increases, so tendency to detonation will be increases. Next, which of the following gases fuel does not have different higher and lower calorific value? So the right answer will be carbon monoxide. So that's all for today. In the next class, we solve the remaining question of this previous year question. So thank you.